Hi guys, welcome to the Electrician channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise. And its name is Stud Guide. Well, this is the dimension from this part. Let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, I want to start from the front plane. Click this and go to normal tool. Go to sketch and I want to click the circle and start from this point. And I want to change this diameter value to 44 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click a midpoint line. Then start from this spot. Just make it a horizontal. Right click and click select. But I want to change this line to for construction. Then OK. Let's change the dimension for this line to 130 mm. Then OK. For the next step, and I want to make the guideline and it is a vertical from this spot. Right click and click select to make it done. Well, for the next step, I want to add the circle, but it's smaller from this circle, and change the diameter value to 31.75 mm. Then OK. For the next step, and I want to click the circle and click the smart dimension. Change the diameter value to 25 mm. Then OK. For the next step, let's make the tangent for line to this circle by make the larger circle. And I want to click the smart dimension and change the diameter value to 260 mm. Click OK. Well, let's move this circle by click and hold and drag to the other area. Click OK. Press and hold the control button, then click to the circle and the circle too. I'm sorry. Once more, click and press and hold the control button, then click for dash circle and make it tangent. Make the same way to this one. Click OK. And I want to delete the unnecessary line by click the trim and make sure time to close. Then click to this line. Well, for the next step, let's mirror this line by click on mirror entities. From the mirror robot dialog box, click and I want to click to this horizontal guideline, then From the entity to mirror, click to this line, then OK. And I want to mirror this sketch to the other side by click on mirror entities, then mirror robot this vertical guideline, then click to the entities to mirror dialog box and select all the sketch by press and hold the control button, then select to the sketch and OK. Let's add the circle to this and change the diameter value to 9.5 mm. Then click the line and I want to connect from this position to this side from this circle. Right click and select to make it done and make the same way for this position too. Right click and click select and click the trim, then delete the unnecessary line. OK. Click the line, connect this line, this point. Right click and select and click the trim, and I want to delete this unnecessary line, then OK. Well, for the next step, click on feathers, then go to Solidworks. I want to select all the sketch. You can follow this step and then on the reverse direction and make the base for 10 mm for the thickness, then OK. For the next step, click this toggle and click the sketch and select the Solidworks and select the sketch and change the value to 5 mm, then OK. For the next step, I want to click this toggle, then click the sketch and click the Solidworks and click the sketch and make it 20 mm. Then I want to click this surface and click the sketch and click the circle and click the smart dimension, and I want to make the circle to 12.7 mm for the diameter. Then click on feathers, then extrude was the sketch and give the thickness to 20 mm, then OK. Then click this edge, then click the toggle and click the chamfer. From this dialog box, make sure 45 degrees and this one to 1.5 then click OK. Well, for the next step, and I want to add the just additional part, and I want to change the view to top plan and click on normal too. Well, let's make the sketch from the top plan and click the sketch. Then click line. Well, for this one, and it is start from this point. Click OK. And then click for this one. Click OK. Then click the feathers. Click Solidworks. Then give the thickness to 8mm, but change this dialog box to midplane. Then OK. Make the isometric view by click the Ctrl 7. If you want to add the fillets and rounds to round or 3 rounds, for the example, I want to change this one. Just click a fillet, then make it 3, then OK. For the final or for finishing, I want to change the appearance. I want to make it to blue, the blue one. Then I want to change the edge by click this. Press and hold the control button, then click to this area. For the example, I want to change the edit appearance. Then click OK. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. And see you next time.